What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with another moto vlog. I'm on Black Betty and I'm going to meet Ryan and Dakota. I'm going to meet them at the local gas station. Then we're going to ride. I don't know where we're riding. He said something about going up over the mountain. So this should be interesting. Oh, there they are. Oh, they beat me. Holy crap. Go, 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 go. Nope. No.
You got that shit?
Oh man, I did get that shit. Alright, so we had to make a pit stop back at home because I forgot something, but we're going for a ride, and they're gonna take me around a few places again. And it's starting to cool down now, so it's really nice. The breeze feels really good. I took out my liner, so I got full-on mesh. I got airflow through my jacket, and yeah. Besides the bugs, I think it might be a good ride. Hopefully the bugs don't ruin the video, because that has happened already. There has been videos that I was going to upload that none of y'all seen because bugs ruined it. So, new news. You probably can't hear it right now, but you might catch a whiff of it somewhere. Dakota has a better sounding exhaust. Ryan pulled out the baffle the other day, and it sounds so much better. It's still got its, you know, its cat and whatnot, so it's not completely straight piped, but there's no muffling, and it sounds loud but not too loud, and it's nice and deep, and it's just, oh man, it sounds a heck of a lot better than it did before. Howdy, howdy. I haven't ridden Black Betty in like, I don't know. I haven't ridden Black Betty since the last time I did a moto vlog, believe it or not. So today I decided to ride my bike to work. So I rode it to work and I rode it home. And sure enough, as soon as I get home, I'm getting video chatted by Ryan and Dakota. Hey man, what you doing? You want to go for a ride? Oh, yeah. Of course I do. And that looks cool. Like, really cool. Yeah. Today is July 2nd, which means 2 days. And it'll be the 4th of July. Because, you know, 2 + 2 = 4. Yeah. And anybody that knows me knows that I love the 4th of July. I love setting off fireworks. And I love setting off mortars. And I love lining up bottle rockets and lighting them off with a torch. Oh yeah. That was Dakota. Not me. Look at all those chickens! I know they're not chickens. Don't judge me. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Mount Etna. Welcome to Mount Etna. We are in Mount Etna. Mount Etna, Pennsylvania. Looks like they just repainted their road lines. Looking good, looking good. Howdy, howdy. Chooch it, big dog, chooch it. Oh, that breeze feels so good. Oh, man. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Here we go. Looks like we're climbing another mountain. 6:45. That sounds familiar, but I can't really put my finger on where I've heard or seen of it before. Oh man, that's a hill. I like this hill. Woo! 20 mile an hour. Oh man, this must be a tight turn. Wow, that wire's hanging low. Yeah, we're doing this at 40. Trucks reduce gear. Well, I'm not a truck, but I'll still reduce my gear. Skid mark all the way down this from a truck's trailer. Oh. Well, that's a fun downhill. United States Army. Oh wow, that must be one of those chunks of floating bridge. They just wedged it up into the ground and made their driveway bridge out of it. Happy July 4th, stay safe, which means don't blow yourself up. It's a tank, it's a tank, Tonka tank. My ear itches and I can't itch it. God damn it. There's burnout marks all over the road. Look at all the tar snakes. There's tar snakes everywhere. Howdy, howdy. Event. Wow. Now that's what I call a palace. Damn. I was not expecting you to turn into here. I thought we were going to the intersection. I'm like, oh God, better brake hard. Surfing USA. Oh man. Gotta wait up for them. You gotta air them out, man. Air them out. Yeah. Fireworks store. Oh wow. I hope you can see that. All those lightning bugs. Oh man, that was awesome. Oh man, I'm getting tired. Oh man, look at all the bugs. You going to Turkey Hill? Yep. Okay. The bugs are bad. Like I said, I've ridden in the dark before by myself. I'm a big boy now.
See you later.
See ya. Oh man. Yep. So they're heading home. And I'm heading home because it's getting late. Peace out. And I'm tired, and I got some stuff to do before I gotta go to work tomorrow. I don't know what this guy's doing, but whatever. See ya. That pretty much sums up today's video. It was a bit of a long one, but it was also a fun one. I got to ride again, got to be with Ryan and Dakota again. That was awesome. It always is. If you liked today's video, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon notification button. This way you're notified when I upload another video. I'm going to endure these bugs the rest of my ride home. Y'all have a happy 4th of July holiday, and I'll see you around. Peace out.